Welcome to Session 4. A system of linear equations asks one big question. Where do two lines agree? Today, we solve systems with substitution, elimination, special case classification, and SAT shortcuts. A solution to a system is an ordered pair that makes every equation true at the same time. The point 2, 3 works here because it satisfies both original equations. Checking only one equation is not enough. Substitution is best when one variable is already isolated. Since y equals 3x minus 4, replace y in the second equation. Solve for x, then return to an original equation to find y. Elimination is best when coefficients are already opposites or can become opposites. Here, positive 2y and negative 2y cancel when we add. That gives 8x equals 24. So x equals 3 and y equals 2. Systems have three possible outcomes. Different slopes give one solution. Parallel distinct lines give no solution. Identical lines give infinitely many solutions. Watch for equations that reduce to the same left side but different constants. The SAT may ask for a combination instead of each variable. If the question asks for 4x, add these equations directly. The y terms cancel, and 4x equals 20. Stop there, because that is exactly what was requested. For word problems, define the variables before writing equations. Let P be pens and N be notebooks. One equation counts items. The other equation counts dollars. Then eliminate P to find 8 notebooks and 6 pens. Your turn. Solve 4x plus y equals 11, and 2x minus y equals 1. Pause the video and choose the fastest method before watching the solution. The y coefficients are opposites, so add the equations. 6x equals 12, so x equals 2. Substitute into the first equation, and y equals 3. The solution is the ordered pair 2, 3. Session 4 recap. A system solution must satisfy both equations. Use substitution when a variable is isolated. Use elimination when coefficients cancel. Classify special cases carefully, and stop when you have the exact expression the SAT asks for. Next, we move to linear inequalities.